Rose. Welcome to a brand new series called 21 Days to Good Skin. While we all are on quarantine, I thought of using this time for ourselves, on us. With everyday hustling, we always neglect our personal growth and self-care. So let's use this time. For the next 21 days, I'm going to do this challenge with you guys, wherein we're going to use new face masks using just basic kitchen ingredients on my face. And after 21 days, we'll see what magic does it do. Are you guys excited to take this challenge up with me? While you sitting at home, let's take this challenge. Hashtag 21 Days to Good Skin. Let's begin. So the skin issue which we're going to be dealing with today is acne. I have a couple of acne. One is here and one is here. So I thought let's start with the series with fighting acne. It is very common. All us girls face acne every month, I know. So today's face mask is going to be for acne, to reduce acne, and the ingredient which we're going to use today, the main ingredient is going to be, so the ingredient that we're going to use today is going to be aloe vera. Aloe vera is a super ingredient. So aloe vera has antibacterial properties. It will kill all the bacteria on your face, and it will also regenerate good blood, healthy blood flow as well on your face. Along with aloe vera, we'll use some honey. Honey also has antibacterial properties, and some cinnamon powder. These three ingredients, that's it. Some aloe vera, honey, and cinnamon powder. All these three things have antibacterial properties. It will kill all the bacteria on our face and our skin, and we will be acne free. Our face mask is on and it feels good by far. Let's see after 10 minutes when I rinse it off. Hi guys, I just rinsed the face mask off my skin and it feels very smooth because of the honey. And this kind of a combination with cinnamon powder and honey and aloe vera, this was my first time when I tried it with you guys. So if you try this, send me pictures. I'll repost this on my story. And yeah, my skin feels a lot better, a lot fresh. I don't know if you guys can see much of a difference on camera, but I surely can. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.